ba re ke rumor ba bolela but papa Mamelodi Sundowns bona it's either it's true or it's not. This is not a signing, it's an acquisition. It's a playmaker who can score. Nkila atwara the trophy, so there's nothing to teach him here. He's got gold teeth and everything because he's got a gold standard. Who is he? Do you know? Do I know? Yo.
Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Ngulule Gungeo and I'm with Ubobo. And of course today, Justice is helping us on the ones and twos, edited of course by Ukhaukelo Sibata. Thank you so much for joining us. It's been an interesting weekend of transfers. One major one of course is Munapula Saleng leaving Orlando Pirates, joining Mamelodi Sundowns. We'll talk to Ubobzit about that. And there's a big story from the weekend that Kurusho Mudau might go from Sundowns to Orlando Pirates as well. Still unconfirmed as yet, but Saleng has been confirmed. There's been other transfers as well that we're bubbling under because we were focusing on the African Cup of Nations, like Andre de Jong joining Orlando Pirates from Stellenbosch. So kind of touch on that as well later on in the video. Bobzi, thank you very much for joining us. How are you?
Oh, I'm good, Mr. Ngeo.
Sure.
Yeah, it's Ngulisi Justice. Ngulisi Namachita, wherever Labakona, Mr.
Yes,
Ngeo.
sir. What was you thinking? You saw your phone. Everyone sees this news on the phone. You saw your phone, and what did you think? Saleng to Sundowns.
Yeah, no, Mr. Ngeo. I think umangibona indaba zaka Saleng to Sundowns. Ngiyeke ngacabanga ukuthi it's good for team efana ne Sundowns. It's good for Orlando Pirates and also to Saleng, because if ungathi uyabheka, the three parties I think are happy kulama decision about it. If you understand ukuthi uma siku business na Orlando Pirates, ngiyacabanga ukuthi business wise iyenza sense to sell uSaleng. If you are not using umdlali, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukumgcina kwakho akusukuthi mhlambe kuzokulethela something, because we are not playing the boy. So for me ngicabanga ukuthi it is a right for bona na ku uSaleng, and for Sundowns I think ngicabanga ukuthi babambe big fish, Mr. Nkeo. Uma ungabheka the way Sundowns ileka ngakhona go attack, especially kule right wing, kula ma wide angadlala ku left, angadlala ku right. So uyabona ukuthi sometimes finishing yaka Matthews if ingasebenzi une option ku Saleng angaphaka right, you need sometimes uma ngabe uno Matthews uno Saleng ube nabadlali abazohlupha ngapha nangapha, even though direct, because khumbula ukuthi umdlalo ufana na Saleng he's good direct, uyakhona ukulanda 1v1 finishing yakhe ku final third is good. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns they make a very good decision to sign uSaleng.
Did you hear anything? I mean, all of us were shocked when we saw that. Did you hear it? Did you know something was developing behind the scenes?
No, it was a surprise, Mr. Ngeo. But after Utolu usainile, I know ukuthi all midfielders with Orlando Pirates are star. As long as badlala Orlando Pirates, it's easy to play with Sundowns. You can go ubiyele move Godfrey Sapula, Zovilagazi, Chief Boy,
even Sapula.
Sapula
didn't he become a player of the season with you guys?
There was a year where he was a king. He was wearing just number 10.
There was a year where he was a king of South African football for like a 12-month or 2-year period.
Yeah, the likes of Abo Lodge, Tiko Modise. So it was not. I was not surprised ukubona le signing ibanga lendlela ukuthi but bengazi ukuthi uma ngabe bafuna ukusayina umdlalo right from Orlando Pirates, they will go for labadlali engibaziyo ukuthi bayi quality Orlando Pirates.
What about the idea of strengthening the opposition? Ngoba uSaleng beningamthola ngoJune.
Yeah.
If Pirates we're looking at the league, clearly they are strengthening you.
We talk about time. If we Sundowns push their offer, ngiyacabanga ukuthi leya deal beyibheka isikhathi. Sundowns idlala CAF Champions League. Sundowns are fighting for.
Oh, you play every year CAF Champions League.
We understand.
So mina ngiPirates ne kule negotiation.
Yeah.
Ungayidlala next year Champions League akunankinga.
Don't you think
umdlalo uzomthola wena ngoJune?
Yeah, bona what I understand ngePirates, Mr. Nkeo, maybe they believe kule squad abanaso. They don't fear anything. The way ngibheka ngakhona. Uma uthi uyabheka, you can't release lo mdlali kule sikhathi. The timing for mina angicabanga ukuthi grand ukuthi you can release lo mdlali kule sikhathi leso ubona iSundowns ila emva kwakho ukuposition 1 ukuposition 2. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi the timing, but remember business wise, if iSundowns ibeki offer imali bayidinga, sometimes you
Pirates
forget.
doesn't need money. They just got money from America, Ngombogazi. And also Pirates is Pirates. They have a 100 million deal with Vodacom every year.
Mr. Gill.
The difference would have been the timing, Wuti. If I say come, no, we can sign it now.
Yeah.
Uzomthola ngoJune. Then when you can say on your side, okay, ngizodonsa 5 million ke. Then I have a decision to make as Pirates ukuthi, okay, if let's say for example it's 10 million deal, for example.
Yeah.
Wena uthi okay, uma ngabe ngizomthola ngoJune, kusho ukuthi lo mdlali ke seka 5 million ngoba angeke angisize kule season. And ngoJune he's going to be 31 whatever his age would have been higher whatever. But Pirates can still take that 5 million for a player that they're not using.
Ngiyacabanga Mr. Nke ukuthi singahle sithi ayidingi imali but iyayidinga because they used to promote and develop players and sell those players. Kusho kona ukuthi money is needed ku Orlando Pirates.
Pirates doesn't need money. Pirates is an iconic team from 1937.
Yeah.
They make 100 million from Vodacom. That's only one deal.
Yeah.
And they make so much, like, it's insane how much money they make.
Yeah.
They've just made money from Saudi Arabia and Ngongota. They are making money from Umbogazi as well. They don't need the money. It's a money-related decision. Okay, instead of losing him for free, they need money in that sense, but Pirates is one of the richest clubs, of course, alongside Sundowns and Chiefs as well.
Yeah.
It's not. It wouldn't make any difference at 10 million, Gibo. Like, of course, as a business, you always have to take 10 million.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that they could have just taken 5 and saying what you want. But anyways, it's water under the bridge now. Sundowns has the player.
Maybe something is coming. Who knows? It might happen le deal kasaleng khona uzosuka ngapha engapha.
Oh, yeah.
Nako lokhu kulindele
It's trading.
if the Pirates they manage to release uSaleng ukuthi hamba isayina ku Sundowns, it might happen ukhona umdlalo ongasuka ku Sundowns as Orlando Pirates.
What about Lowenu lo? Maybe in that deal they would have said, what about Lowenu lo? Umutawu sekasele na 6 months.
Yeah.
Kusho ukuthi even nani you can play that game ngoba noMabasa naye sekasele na 6 months. So uyabona ukuthi Mutawu can go to Pirates, Mabasa can go to Sundowns as well.
But Mr. Nke kumele ubheke ukuthi ubani ongathi mhlambe kukhona lokho asakho yes ileague siyayibona but sizokushaya ngokuthi sicela usiyeke manje sicedelele le CAF Champions League na into esiyifunayo if kunomdlalo esifuna ukuthi sifuna ukukunikeza yena. I'm not saying ikhona le but uma ngabe kwenzeka ukukhona lo mdlalo singakhulumisana nawe ukuthi no thina we are playing CAF Champions League, so sizodinga abadlali badlale le CAF Champions League, you understand. So lento le ngayibona mina when Sundowns signed Manyisa besingazi ukuthi le deal yenzeke kanjani, but after lapho coach Rulani go straight to Orlando Pirates. So you understand ukuthi
swap deal.
It's swap deal. So ziningi izinto ezenzeka behind the scene esingazazi ukuthi why la deal yenzeka ngalendlela, because leyo ngathi uyabheka nama journalist amaningi ibashayile manje kwaba surprise ukuthi uSaleng usayina neSundowns.
I think that's good as well. I think that it's good for us not to speculate too much.
Yeah.
I love it when, and I know we own a media company, Itiski Times, we have top class journalists as well.
Yeah.
But I also prefer, because yazma speculate, they also give us that news. Speculate, ingenzeki into. Bapinde speculate, ingenzeki into. I would rather have clubs signani than the announcer. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
We're living in a very interesting time where people want to get breaking news immediately. It's like, no, sometimes you're not going to get those breaking news. And also, the chase for breaking news means that we might get wrong news. For example, mina na usikhuluma ngabani manje, Coach Pitso Mosimane.
Yeah.
To where? To Sundowns. Why? Because my former boss, who has his own media company now, he broke that story. Ganti ungathola ukuthi put 2 and 2 together, labantu baya ku appeal. Ban a case.
Yes.
The reason why Coach Pitso was at Sundowns maybe is because of Xoxa Leandole. Yes. I'm not saying it's not going to happen or might not happen, but I'm saying we now get into this domino effect. We start talking about it, speculate. Gandhi, it was in the first place. It was always about the case.
Yeah.
So I love it when we are surprised. Clubs must do their thing. Nati will always do our thing as a media. If we find it out first, like when Coach Abdeslam Wadu Ayago Pirates.
Yeah.
It was Coach Rulani, it was Coach Florent Ibenge, it was different names until the club will do what it will do. And Tina, we are led to speculate. We're now chasing the wind. We're going with the wind because, it might be Coach Rulani because there was one of the guys behind the scenes actually who works with Coach Rulani. I think there may have been talks at the time.
Yeah.
So Tina Samanga Leondole, because we got first-hand information. Find out maybe that they disagree on the negotiating table. Now it seems like you are lying about Rulani in the first place. There were other media companies that were outed at the time which you were lying about Rulani in the first place. But anyhow, let's go back to Usaleng and Sundowns.
Yeah.
Whatever is going to happen with trading of players, we are now hearing Mutau could go the other side. Maybe it could be another player. It is true that you are helping Sundowns where they are struggling, especially up front. Yakhumbula ukuthi bekunokudlala Nuno Santos, no Raishinho, and on the right hand side,
Yeah.
and also you were relying on Umudao to overlap on the right hand
yes.
side. So they solving that problem. That means effectively you might beat Pirates good league title race if that happens. Ngalo Saleng lo. And that's maybe the fear from Pirates fans.
Yeah, I think Mr. Nkeu uma ungabheka ukuletha uSaleng njengoba usho kulela side kuyenceda kakhulu not kuphela mangabe mhlambe uyodlala nalama team afana nala ucompete nawo but uma ungabheka the way uyibheka ngakhona ku Sundowns always the only right back engibona ngathi ikunikeza something ku final third is Thapelo Morena most of the time ku Sundowns but uma ungabheka ukhuliso ukunikeza 100 out of 100 ku defense yakho but
yeah.
going forward uma ungambheka akanawo ama crosses akanawo ama entry boxes are enough lawo ma box entries abanawo uma ungabheka kuba ama cutback la sometimes ba intercept lawo ma ball so kusho kona ukuthi if usolve lenkinga yalapha ku right winger uzoba usolve lelo le side la kaMdawu kusho kona ukuthi lo muntu ozoba odlala right back uzoba nespan but not ispan is too much because we have uSaleng umdlali owaziyo ukuthi going forward and enye into engibhekile ngoSaleng Mr Nkeu ispeed ngiyacabanga ukuthi sometimes you need abadlali abane speed up front but kumele understand ukuthi usebenzisa le speed because most of the players ku Sundowns they are struggling nge speed only abo Rainers esibabona benza kahle khumbula abo the likes of Abolindo kuHlembatha bake ba struggleisha ngale speed abanazo Eliza Rogers bake ba struggleisha ngale speed ku Sundowns but kumele understand ukuthi ngarana ngwayenza apha ama run wami ngale speed nangu Maseko manje simbona akekho kulezinye simazi uMaseko
so
akulo
good at super sport.
exactly ngale speed
pacey
so
winger.
ipace so you need to adjust yourself because iSundowns akusi team edlala too much nge speed khumbula ukuthi bafuna ukudlala ibhola balinokhe ba break ama lines bakwazi ukuthi bathole lama pockets but uma ngabe une speed kumele usebenzise speed sakho ngendlela right wazi ukuthi ngisebenzisa nini kuphi ispeed so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bayidinga lento ukuthi sometimes i-team mangabe ilahlile disorganized at the back kumele sibabambe ngepace ngabadlali abane speed the likes of Fona Bosaling nabo Matthews I think izoyinceda iSundowns.
Yeah. What do you think Pirates fans think about this? If you've seen them talking, number one, he was already at Orbit College. Pirates is number one, but it's not because of him, because this season he wasn't playing there. So already Pirates on inner strength, they have their own players who fit in like a glove immediately. But I'm sure that there's a section of Pirates fans who are thinking, as you were mentioning, Sapula, Tiko Modise, Cheeseboy, so that why do we keep on sending our best players to Sundowns?
I think 90% of Orlando Pirates supporters are not happy ngale move yaka Saleng. Number one, only management will understand i-move efana nalezi ukuthi kukuphi la i-benefit yakhona i-management so but as ngiyi-supporter le-Orlando Pirates kwenzeka i-move efana nale always our star players sibabona bayahamba baya kuma-rivals or kuma-team afana nabo Sundowns esikompita nawo angeke sometimes ukuthi ngayijabulela into efana naleyo Mr Nkeu because ngibooster leya team ukuthi at the end of the day ngingakwazi nami ukuthola lokho engikufunayo uma ngabe ngikompita nale team bheka njengamanje masikhuluma nge-timing uSaleng uyenceda iSundowns uyenceda iSundowns the way ngibona khona and kule season seyophela kanje ucompete neMamelodi Sundowns so what I know ukuthi
it's the second half of the season.
Second half of the season so uyabona ukuthi obvious abalandeli beOrlando Pirates angeke bayijabulele into efana nale just that ama powers angeke babe nawo ukuthi ingenzeki lento uma ngabe but ngiyacabanga ukuthi abekho happy ngale move efana nale because bazi kahle ukuthi uSaleng umdlalo njani
ukujuma kufika. If you remember when there was this problem with Pirates and Saleng ukungazwani kwabo Pirates announced an extension.
Yes.
Your option, I think it was a 2-year extension.
Yes, 2 years.
I think it must have been last year when they were disagreeing with each other, maybe around March. That means mhlambi yaqala unyaka wayo ngoJune. So Pirates maybe is looking at there's no way he's going to sign a new contract. And also, of course, Yakula. So for us, let's just release him. If Sundowns wants him, give us the money and then you can take him. Maybe that's what Orlando Pirates fans need to understand. Although it hurts because it's not isolated. It's not only one player. It's been many star players from Pirates to Sundowns.
Yeah, I think they also like him and abalended Orlando Pirates because noma ngabe imuphi umdlalo ohamba ku Orlando Pirates i-management Orlando Pirates they make sure ukuthi baya replace Mr. Nkewu. Yabona if bebanga replace ngiyacabanga ukuthi bebangaba nenkinga enkulu but into ebenza ukuthi sometimes abanye ba understand ukuthi Orlando Pirates they will always replace even if bangahambisa defend top defender they make sure ukuthi baya replace abalandeli be Orlando Pirates bazi ukuthi okay someone is coming ozoyenza lo msebenzi. Remember uNkotha he was doing well uhambile uNkotha but ba make sure ukuthi kumele sithole umdlalo ozo replace umdlalo ofana noNkotha kulela side. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho kwenza ukuthi abanye ba understand when Pirates release those players but yokuthi mhlawumbe ungayithatha umikise emdlali kuma rivals or kulabantu compete nabo for league I think leyo iba disadvantage especially ku
it's going to be tough for some Pirates fans.
Yeah.
Let's wrap it up then, Bobzit. I know that you suspect there will be other movements across.
Yeah.
And that's why I just kept on saying out loud, Mabasa maybe the other side, because now it's 6 months left, and then Mudau other side as well. How likely do you think we'll see that? When usho ukuthi izokwenzeka iswap one way or another, but mhlambe we might not be sure about amagama, mhlambe Bothapelo Maseko, but you are 100% sure that there will be more going the other way.
Yeah, ngisho kanje Mr. Nkewu because ngeke ngayibona lento iyenzeka. And number 2, uma ungabheka abadlali abafana noKhuliso. I-age yakhe ngiyacabanga ukuthi iyamvumela imvumela ukuthi angayidlala e-Europe. E-Europe kune age ababheka yona mabasayina abadlali.
They prefer younger players.
Uma ungabheka ama team afana nama team alapha bo Algeria. Uma ungathi mhlawumbe ngake ayibo Algeria because kwake kwaba namahlebezi but ubheke ukuthi bayamvumela yini imidlalo na more than 30 to come and play ku league yabo na abuya outside i-country yabo. The answer is no ngendlela ngazi ngakhona. So uyabona ukuthi kusho kona ukuthi uma ngabe mhlawumbe angathi mhlawumbe uKhuliso uyomuva ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzoba around ngendlela ngibona ngakhona. So indlela ngibona ngathi kungahle kwenzeke into efana nale. I'm not saying kunjalo. The likes of Abothapelo game time yamshaya uThapelo kuma Mamelodi Sundowns and it's not like he's not a good player and
it's unfortunate because the Pirates na winger are strong this season.
Yeah.
The player of the season will probably be a Pirates winger if they maintain the form. So I don't know how because even Umofokeng is fighting with the police, Moremi. They're fighting with each other for position. So if he goes to Pirates because of game time, he's going to have the same problem there.
Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako lokho Mr. Nkewu umdlalo ofana noMaseko kungahle abe ku disadvantage because lama winger Orlando Pirates and wonke lama winger abangabheka are comfortable lela side la ka left.
Yes.
Ngapha ka right laba ngakhoni bonke ukuthi bangalisebenzisa lela side. So uyabona ukuthi sebaningi kulela side. So naye le ngaba mhlambe indaba ukuthi angatholakali mhlambe alapha kulesa simo. But ungakhohlwa ukuthi
because I think uKapinga left Sundowns to Pirates for that same reason and he encountered the same problem. There ukuthi kugcwele kule position yakho.
And Mr. Nkewu ukhumbule ukuthi iOrlando Pirates yes inabo goalkeeper aba right but the first goalkeeper uChina kwamanje uma ungabheka uphezulu kakhulu kulabo goalkeeper abanabo. Khumbula Sundowns inabo goalkeeper abaningi. What
So
if one
they need a number 2?
You will never know Mr. Nkewu. What if ugoalkeeper one ku Sundowns kulabe snap uzomthola iOrlando Pirates.
The Italian Serie A. If this trading happens a lot, as an Italy, when you read their books and find out the history of all of these coaches, to Ancelotti, Beago, Inter Milan, Juventus, AC Milan when he won about Champions League, all of them, about Pirlo, they played for Inter, Juventus, AC. Like you remind me of Serie A now that you keep on, these players keep on playing for the same big teams, which is normal, of course. If you still want to play for a big team, it's limited. You can only play for Chiefs, Pirates, and Sundowns. So if you want to move from big team to big team, it will be those teams. Let's wrap it up and then move on. Pirates signed a few players. Babu Isele Kwaiba, thank you, to Chippa United because they signed Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch. Just to summarize it for you, how do you see that move from Andre de Jong? Very good player. I think it's 31, 32, 33, that age range. So whatever he's going to give the Pirates will be 1 or 2 years maybe. But he's a very good player. He's a very good number 10 type of a player, not necessarily out-and-out striker. Would you say that that's what Pirates needed at this point?
Yeah, ngiyacabanga Mr. Nkewu uDe Jong for Orlando Pirates ukuthi bamsayine. Uzoyinceda kakhulu iPirates. Uma ungabheka uDe Jong the way asebenza ngakhona Mr. Nkewu off the ball on the ball. Umdlali engimazi ukuthi utholakala kuma space right most of the time and it's hardly to lose iball uDe Jong. So you need abadlali abafana nalabo sometimes owazi ukuthi uma ngabe adlala next to the box anything can happen because uma ungabheka the way apolice badlala ngakhona ubheke abadlali abafana nabo Moremi kulela side aborele. So uma ngabe namdlalo ofana no De Jong and ukhumbula ukuthi is a finish u De Jong. Uma ngaba khona next to the box u De Jong uyakwazi ukupick spot. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-signing yabo ibe kahle. That is why they release abadlala abafana nabo Kwayiba because they know ukuthi De Jong can give. Yeah, we understand. And what I
don't
like
know if I
ngabo,
was reading properly. I may have been making a mistake between Kwayiba. Umbuthuma still there, or they let him go?
I think kusasekhona uMbuthuma
It's still
Orlando
there,
Pirates.
okay.
Yes. So
It's a lot of striking options.
yeah, but it's good ukuthi sometimes umdlalo uma umbona ukuthi angeke umsebenzise umrelease. I think nobudlelwane be Orlando Pirates ne Chippa United
Yeah.
kulula ukuthi now you can take uKwayiba back to help Chippa United la ikhona because you know ukuthi sinebudlelwane right ne team efana ne Chippa United. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi
But
nabo
financially, I was asking myself questions about that. Ukuthi,
Yeah.
if Chippa is announcing him as a permanent signing, not on loan,
Yeah.
kusho ukuthi Pirates ithenga umdlali kuChippa, maybe it was a cash deal, obviously. And then that means what happened? After 6 months, did Chippa pay the same amount or what? Did the player depreciate? I was thinking along those lines when I saw that. Ukuthi. So what will happen? Pirates will cut their losses and give the player back again. This, of course, is about now finances and football. Ukuthi. How can you sign a player 6 months later he's going back to the same club? If you bought him for 5 million, does that mean Chippa yonivumile ukuthi kunikeze 2 million? At least you make a 3 million loss or something like that.
they can do that Mr. Nkeo because khumbula ku football ukuthi ziningi izinto ezenzeka behind the scene. Sinomdlali manje odlala ku AFCON which is goalkeeper with Chippa United. That is why ngihlala always mangibheka ama transfer ngibheka into eziningi. Ungathola ukuthi khona umdlali noma bangambisela back without ukuthola something kuChippa. They know ukuthi mangabe kunomdlali esimdingayo kuChippa United. It's easy ukuthi
Oh, I see what you're saying.
we understand that sizomlanda lo mdlali because
it's only now that it's
we
only
understand and
that for that deal, just know that first preference, Unwabali must come to Pirates if we ever want him.
We
First
understand.
preference will be us.
iyasebenza
I see what
kanjalo
you're saying,
Mr. Nkeo. Yeah, sengizama ukusho ukuthi izinto esifanele ungabheka njengayo Kwayiba akazange athole enough time ku-Orlando Pirates. If ungabheka udlale less than 5 games. And kule less than 5 games ama minutes wakhe wonke awayihlanganisi 90 minutes because he played boma 5 minutes against Sundowns, boma 3 minutes against Sundowns, 23 minutes adlala nabo Richards Bay, Marumo Gallants 24 minutes.
Yeah, that's not
We
game
understand. So ichance akayitholanga but uma ungabheka isimo seChippa United uma unomdlelwane Orlando Pirates you can say that you know what uyabona ukuthi isimo sami sime kanjani ngicela unginikeze lo mdlalo because angeke umsebenzise manje ngicela unginikeze yena back uma ngabe kunomdlalo ozomdinga you are allowed to come you know ukuthi ubudlelwane bami nawe bunjani ngiunderstand nako lokho kungayenza ukuthi ideal igcine bangalendlela.
Absolutely. Let's wrap it up then. You believe Andre De Jong will improve Orlando Pirates up front?
I believe Andre will improve Mr. Nkeo. The way ngimaza ngakhona uAndre De Jong from la ngibukele khona asadlala phansi KZN wabu Andrew De Jong, even kumanje ku Stellenbosch, he will give you into oyidingayo ngo-Andrew De Jong because he's a hard worker, that guy. Njengoba ngitshela ngithi it's hardly to lose amabhola, so you need abadlali abafana nabo Andrew De Jong. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzoyinceda Orlando Pirates.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Bobzit. That's, you know, this conversation and everything else that you've seen on Itiski TV recently will kind of tell you that we are now moving outside of the AFCON dominated conversation. We are now moving into South African football. We'll come back every now and then whenever there's a good breaking story that we could talk about. Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, interesting trading happening there. It's time sensitive, of course. Maybe by the time that you see this video, you would have seen more things coming out of both clubs. We shall see. Thank you very much for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.